And so we're live for live stream 276. Seeing the market currently rally to the upside here. Had early selling. If you look on the bottom right, had some selling from yesterday on NQ. Seeing the buy up at the moment off the open. Currently the range is at 465 points, 0.75. Over on ES we're looking at 86.25, and over on gold we're looking at 75.7. VIX currently trading around 27. So this market seems to be marching higher here. Currently sitting around 19,050s. Not sure if I'm going to get a setup here soon. Let's see. Suppose I should update my scroll banner. See, some of these headlines are actually out of date. Some of the headlines are saying there was selling, but we've recently seen there's been buying coming to the open. Notice there was we are in the middle of earnings season. Notice there was some back and forth news regarding tariffs, whether they'll stay, whether they'll go. Let's just see here. Oh, actually got a long here.
Order filled. Order filled.
No,
Order filled.
don't like that. It was actually a wrong trade. Should not have taken that. Didn't even pull back to the level it was supposed to. I need to get that off the chart. Caused some confusion there.
Order submitted.
That's a setup. Oh. Yep, that quick change there. Wasn't quite right. Anticipated a little bit.
Order filled.
Down pretty quickly here.
Order submitted. Target. Order filled.
Goodness me. Target filled pretty quickly
Order
there.
submitted.
$48.
Order filled.
Down to, so what's that, 12? Need to think about this. Where could there be trouble? Previous daily high, let's see. Previous day's high is at 19,165. $19,000. Is this market going to go to 256 today? I wonder. It's going to make this level obnoxiously large. No, that's too much. Let's do it at 10. Yeah. So currently up 1.5% on NQ. Still lagging a little bit over on ES, only up 0.84%. Currently having alerts go off. Is that suggesting high volume? Nope, it's telling me the VIX is in an interesting area. Let's see what's happening with VIX. So, seeing that selling on VIX. VIX is down 4%. Starting to see the market come in a little bit here. So I got to that 19,100. Pulled back just over 30 points. Just going to stay on the sidelines for now. Let's got a second short signal there. Problem is we're into this area where we've previously had buying. Let's see who has earnings today. Earnings. Alphabet. Oh, I guess we do have a big earnings player today. 1.9 trillion in market cap. Alphabet, also known as Google. Interesting. Very interesting. Oh, is that my favorite stock? My favorite stock had earnings. It is Thursday, the 24th of April. Let's see. So we have Alphabet, Procter and Gamble. Okay, those seem to be the only market players. But the Alphabet will be coming at the close about 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, seeing this market come back a bit here. Go have a look at the, let's see. Really don't want to be caught in a lower high. Oh my. Look how many 5-minute consecutive green candles we've had. That's interesting. We had 11 consecutive green candles. will be very brave to take a long here. Be pretty brave. Because the risk here is always a lower high. It's always a risk here, the lower high. See, we've got something over at 100 as well. Maybe an area of interest right there. Maybe sellers are hanging around in this area. And the potential long trade has to be resolved. Don't fake me out, bro. Ah. Oh no. Let's see. Will these lows remain intact? See, we just faked out there. 3085s. Faked out. Can we take out the 71 lows? Yep, just took those out. No buyers. 53s. We'll see. Do we get down to 53? Nope. Didn't quite get down to 53. Maybe this will be the occasion we get down to the 53s. Probably not. Oh, wow.
Order submitted.
I got in a bit early there. Got in a little bit early. 67. You know what? Should I keep it at 67? You know what? Get to target. I'll just stop me out. Forget it.
Target filled. Order filled.
Okay. See, this is a true test, but it's into this area that we rejected from previously. 57 points. But, oh, the target would have been hit. We got in a bit early anyway, so. Made new highs on the day, expanding the range. Current range on NQ is 514.50, over on ES is 100 points. Gold still 75.7. Really should change my banner. The strategies I'm using at the moment are not going to be conducive towards getting plus 100. Oh, plus 100 on the day. Oh. Guess prices didn't like what it saw there above the 104s. Could just take a false breakout short, but not sure if this is the market want to be doing that in. No, probably not the market you want to be doing for. Oh, actually got a long. Oh,
Order submitted.
goodness me. Actually got a long. 81.25. 81. 81.25. Yeah.
Target order submitted. Order filled.
Okay. So we're up 8 on the day. 8? Yeah, might as well say it's 8. As we slowly march towards that 165, which is the previous day's high here. You can see in the bottom right hand side of the screen. If we go over to the 5 minute, we can see this market's continuing this bullish run. So from the lows, which happened during the, I think that was about 5 a.m. I think that might have been about 5 a.m. New York time. During the European session, from making these lows, pretty much it's gone on a 500 point run. Interesting. Seeing that move. Oh, I need to get rid of that. I need to clean this chart up. So first I have to unlock it. Then I can remove it. Market hasn't had a pullback in a while, but nothing's saying that it needs to have a pullback. It'd be nice if it did. But But we'll see. We will see. Look at the volume profile. Let's see. Okay. So through 63s. Yeah. So we're about 17 points from our goal. Zero guarantees of success. So let's see. So we've had this previous high right here. Actually, maybe I'll just do it this way. At about 106s. Now it's whether it's going to use it as a support. For some reason I've got a really bad short bias when it comes to trading. I see a short everywhere. I see. Like this close below this level, I'll be thinking, oh, let's go short, but is that the right thing to do? Or would it be more appropriate to take the close back above long in alignment with the trend? That's the question. There's a candle. Not hesitate too much. Leave it alone. I'd be thinking to take the long up to 20, but just hesitate too much. Yeah, the target would have been hit. Oh, goodness me.
Order submitted.
So I had a pullback, just had a long there. Hopefully we can break out and get to target here. Where's the stop? 105.50. 105.50. Oh, the risk reward on these are horrible. You know what? Sure to break even.
Order filled.
Yeah. Should have just took the default target. Default target would have been hit. And I'd have been closer to my goal. Tried to see if I could get more there. Then move up towards the 40s, but nope. Had a break even for my troubles. $25 all the way up to 38. Suppose now it's going to get to the 40s. Yeah, we'll see. Suppose the argument would be getting back in where you got
Order
out.
submitted.
Oh, there it goes.
Order canceled.
There it goes. So where am I? About 16 points from target. Currently been in the market 31 minutes. Seems this market's moving towards yesterday's highs. But might not get an opportunity to get back in. Certainly if today doesn't work out, it's all down to human error. See, the move back through the previous high certainly would have worked. Would have been long at the 1150s, would have been able to take that. Would have been able to take this one. Gotta stay patient here. "33 minutes into the broadcast, currently 10:31 Eastern Standard Time. Seems this market wants to move higher, but increasingly becoming cautious. Let's look at the fives. So over at the fives, we've only seen the one bearish candle. Apart from that, we've had a pretty big run. So we've had 11 consecutive green, 1 red, then 3 more green. Goodness me. Seems I'm about to get a setup long.
Order submitted.
Ah, goodness me, it's not ideal. This needs to resolve itself really quickly here. Otherwise it could just be a break. So it's 30. It could just be a false break with volume. Hoping it's not a quick run. Trying to give it time here. No.
Order filled.
It's coming back too much. Oh my word. Giving back all the profits. Not a big deal. It's about break even. Oh my word.
Order submitted.
Ah, missed it. Goodness me, I missed it. 29. See, the entry should have been down at 46. Missed the entry. What's going on here? Not a fan of this price action.
Order filled.
Down 10. Ultimately may prove that I'm getting out of these early and paying paying in P&L when I should be patient. That ultimately may be the case.
Order submitted.
37.75. 37.75. See, that certainly feels a lot better in terms of risk reward. Come on. Now we're actually targeting the actual highs of yesterday at 62s. There's no guarantees we'll get to yesterday's highs. We could actually just slam down before that. Hoping that we do see a spike here. Go take the target out. Ugh.
Order filled.
Took it off for a loss there.
Order submitted.
Now I'm going to need a break out of the highs. $41.25.
Target filled. Order filled.
Took some unnecessary losses there.
Order submitted.
Just in case he wants to sell back from after yesterday's highs. Just in case he wants to pull back. Just had that bearish candle. No, it's not what I want to see.
Order filled.
Took it off.
Order submitted.
$47.75. Oh, come on. Close was up.
Order filled.
Here we go. Down only 4. See, all these longs through here would have worked, took unnecessary losses. This loss, this loss, this loss.
Order submitted.
I'm going to try and short it again. Seeing if the previous day's high can act as a bit of resistance and we get a bit of a pull in. 46.75. Can we get to 6 points? Yeah. Adjusting my stop to break even. See if we can get a bit of a pull in here. Want to see a big flush. Gonna be aggressive.
Stop filled.
Okay, so back to break even on the day. Why does that always seem to be off? Can't explain it. So that was just a short of the previous day's highs. Of course, it's come down into this area. Found buyers. That's 8. We want to really take that. We'd have to short through all of this. It's hanging around too much. Seems like he wants to go back for the retest of the highs. These highs, the daily highs. Okay. Seems, I guess, the sellers have got control a little bit. Ultimately, it's this high here at 61. Stay on the sidelines. Staying on the sidelines for now. Ah, there goes the selling. There goes the selling. Is this going to be one of the days where we test to break the previous day's high, only to sell for the rest of the session? That's potentially the call.
Order submitted.
Gonna take a short here. Seeing 4 there. Adjusting my stop to break even. Want to see the breakdown. Want to see this breakdown here. Come on. Oh, come on.
Target order filled.
Oh, goodness. Ah. Wow. There we go. Target filled right there. So, up 12. Certainly interesting at the minute. Seem to be heading down towards that 200. So, is a case, like we're saying, take out the previous day's high and then sell all the way back down to the session lows. Of course, a short all the way up here held. Certainly would have hit the daily goal. So the daily goal from where we are, about 14 points. Let's see. Oh, seems I'm about to get a signal short.
Order submitted.
$43.25. Some risk on this trade. You know what?
Order filled.
Oh, you got to be kidding. Oh my word.
Order submitted.
Got the signal again, so went short. 39.25. Oh my word. Should not be fighting here. It's a bad sign. Trying to stay patient. Because I took could potentially be an unnecessary loss there. Where I lost 7. Flipping seems to be biased here, man.
Order filled.
You know, it just seems to be biased in this area. Oh my word, just look left, my friend. Previous highs.
Order submitted.
Down 6. Let's see. Okay. Testing the 200 there. Come on, get to the target. Oh, brutes, man. Come on, get to target.
Target order filled.
Okay. Up 3. Let's see, took some unnecessary loss, 7.5 plus 10. I lost 17 through there. 17 by just not holding. And the reason I'm not holding is because it's negative risk reward. That's why I'm not holding. That's exactly why I'm not holding. Okay, I need to figure this out. I'm up 4. Thing is, if we get back through this moving average, we'll be running into these previous highs. Do I really want to take it long? You know, I'll take it long and see what comes of it.
Order submitted.
90.50. Oh my gosh, it's in a high volume area. Could potentially sell back down, but we'll see.
Order filled.
Target filled there. On the move back through the moving average. So we're about 10 points away. Roughly about 10 points from our daily goal. Should certainly change the daily goal on the banner. See a lot of volumes being conducted here. Let's zoom out a little bit. And around these previous highs, seems to be a lot of volume being conducted. Let's just see where this is. This plot's about 36. Let's make this apply. Didn't quite pull back to the moving average there. Seen by a step back in. Came into this area. Interesting. I'm going to have to be on the sidelines for a little while here. That's what it seems like. I'll tell you what. If I don't get it set up in the next 7 or so minutes, I'll be calling it a day. Problem is thinking about where the setup could be. Because a short, it would be through these highs. Short would be through these highs. We've already found support here at 87. And plus we've got the dynamic level of support, which is just moving average, which could pose its own risks. Could potentially see a lower high. Could this turn around and choke me? Well. Choices. So testing that moving average there. Hasn't held it. Potentially third lower high. Quite a bit of volumes being conducted in this area. Can't say I'm a fan. Can't say I'm a fan of all the volume being conducted in this area. Neither bulls nor bears are in complete control. These are the conditions I tend not to perform the best in. Anyway, seems like we're going back above the moving average. So, I guess I'm going to get it set up. Hopefully it's not a false break.
Order submitted.
Okay, preface this long. We hit 6. Oh, come on. Hit 6, move my stop to break even. Come on, get to target. 29, 2 points from target. Come on.
Order filled.
Alright, so I've hit the daily goal. just in time. That was that move back through that moving average. So I am going to call it there. Another successful day of trading in the books. We'll have a look at the trade performance. Here is the trade performance. Over on trade performance, profit factor 1.33. Ideally like to see it above 2. Well, close to 2 or above. Average win to average loss, pretty close. Above 1, pretty happy about that. Largest win to largest loss. Slightly bigger loss, but I'll take it. It's close enough. Time in the market, less than a minute. It's probably what to expect with this 15-second scalping strategy. Let's see. Accuracy, 55%. Accuracy's come down. Profits have actually come back in. So we'll have a look at the equity curve. So, well, cumulative net P&L. We can see there's a lot of volatility. It's definitely not the sort of thing I like to see. Drew down there, all the way down 23. Was up at 9. Drew down 18. Up 12. Down 6. Finally, we're up 25. Only thing I can say is the dips were quite a bit more shallow. So we've got lows, higher lows again, and higher lows again to the bearish side. We've got the highs, higher highs, and higher highs again. So that's pretty much the cumulative net profit. And I am going to wrap up the video there. I'm going to say thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.